Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how Rajhi App Not Working. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. If our Rajhi Bank app is not working, the first step that you can do is check internet. To do it, simply drop down your toolbar from the top right corner of your screen if you are using your iPhone, and then once inside, what you need to do is from the Wi-Fi or mobile data on. Then if that doesn't work, simply try opening any website, and if internet is slow and app will not open, simply switch it to the mobile data and try again. The next step is to restart your phone. Simply press the volume up button and then power button, and there you'll find the restart option. Simply slide the slider to restart your phone and then wait for 30 seconds and power it on again, and then simply log into your app and try again. The next step is to update the application. Head over to your app store, then on the search bar simply type in Rajhi Bank, and then once inside, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply in order to fix Rajhi Bank app not working. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, and see you soon on the next one.